Alexa, open test messageLOUD.
Welcome to messageLOUD. Just say, read my messages.
Read my messages.
Okay, getting new messages. You have 9 new messages. Facebook message from my boss. Hey, how are you today? Email from Oxford Artificial Intelligence Program. The program starts tomorrow. Patrick. Final call for registrations.
Alexa, read my SMS messages.
One for Patrick Leckie. From Patrick Leckie. Now you can call and message friends and family with supported Alexa-enabled devices.
How many WhatsApp messages do I have?
Okay, give me a few seconds. You have 6 new WhatsApp messages. Message from Doug Mobile. Great, Pat.
Alexa, check my messages.
Email from Ivan Seagals. Test email. MS Exchange best regards. Ivan Seagal. Test email. MS Exchange
Alexa,
best regards.
skip email.
Email from Office 365 Message Center. Weekly Digest. Office 365 changes.
Read my messages.
You have 8 new messages. Email from Mary Kay Carr.
Alexa,
Support.
stop.
What?